Rezi Job Search lets you find jobs, tailor your resume, and track applications, all in one place. Here's how to use it. From your dashboard, click Job Search. Search by job title and location to find roles that match your background. Use the filters to narrow things down by workplace type, job type, visa sponsorship, or skills. You can also sort by best match or newest first, depending on what you're after. Click any listing to see the details. Rezi breaks job descriptions into sections: responsibilities, requirements, salary, benefits, and company info, so you can quickly assess whether a role is worth applying for. If you're not ready to apply yet, save the role and come back to it later. Just before applying, make sure to click Target Resume. Choose which resume you want to use, and Rezi saves a copy to your dashboard, targeted to that specific role for you to review. When you're ready, click Apply Now. Rezi takes you directly to the company's careers page to complete the application there. As you apply, keep track of everything using the built-in tracker. Move jobs between saved, applied, interviewing, and rejected so nothing gets lost. That's Rezi Job Search.